Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the scanner model and interface. This determines drivers and adapters required. Once identified, connect the scanner to the PC using the correct cable or USB adapter and grant admin rights when prompted. While connecting, open Device Manager or System Settings to watch for new device detection. This confirms physical link. Make sure to download the manufacturer driver if the OS lists an unknown device, because generic drivers may limit features like barcode symbology configuration. Once drivers are installed, open the vendor setup utility or SDK to configure symbology, prefix/suffix, and output mode. This controls how scans appear in applications. If using serial COM mode, set baud rate, parity, stop bits, and flow control to match the scanner and app. After saving settings, test scans into Notepad or a terminal so you can see raw output. This verifies decoding and line endings. If you need keyboard emulation, ensure the correct language layout and locale are selected on the PC to avoid misinterpreted characters. Finish by integrating the scanner with your target application. Set the input focus to the correct field and confirm scans populate as expected. Once done, save any scanner config changes to internal memory and run a final round of test barcodes for reliability. If scans fail, first switch USB ports and replace cables, then reinstall drivers and verify COM parameters. One key troubleshooting tip: enable the vendor's logging or diagnostic mode so you can capture device responses and identify whether.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.